tell us a little bit about transportation systems broadly. What are these systems that drive people, that move people around? And as you were beginning to say, transportation systems are like fundamental enablers of human creativity or human endeavor. So tell us a little bit about what is the basic design of these systems, and then we'll talk about other things.
Yes. So let's call it as mobility, because that's the right word, right?
Yes.
The transport systems actually enables mobility, right?
Yeah.
People can move from one point to another. If they are not able to move from one point to another, how do they reach to the services, right?
Yeah.
So let's say mobility. So it's primarily sit under the civil engineering department, but then transport is an interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary field where researchers or practitioners from different fields come together and work together. So and again, transport itself has various domains. So I do work on the logistics operations research side of transport. I also work on transport traffic management side of transport. Again, it comes under optimization or logistics, where you look at evacuation and transport network resilience. And then transport network systems itself is another area, another discipline. Demand management, that's another major discipline within transport. So we do have, so if you go to any transport discipline and look at the academics or the engineers working in that, you will see that there's people working on demand modeling, there are people working on transport systems, working on network analysis, traffic management. So it's a multidisciplinary area.
And it also, to me, seems like the closest of all civil engineering disciplines to computer science.
Yes. Because we deal a lot with data. Because transport systems, to analyze the transport system, we need data. And it's a huge, big data that we deal with. So it's very closely related to, we closely work with computer science. So I tell my students, you get into any transport industry, especially the government organizations or any transport industry, when you get into the room, you're not going to talk just to a transport engineer. You're going to talk to a computer science engineer or a data mining or a data scientist. So you see this interdisciplinary practitioners working together.